Welcome to I Can't Catch a Fish. Let's see if we can actually catch one today. So we got a bit of a tip off that there might be some trout in these pools. Hopefully some cutties, because it's been a few trips out without any cutthroat, so.
Ooh, gotta watch where I'm going.
Let's see if we can put this new ultralight of mine to work.
But there's kind of a lot going on, and I think getting out and getting some fresh air is a really good idea right now. Today we brought 3 rods with.
Mainly just 2 lightweight rods for casting little jigs, lures, stuff like that for trout. Then I have one of my float fishing rods for faster flowing rivers, which we're not going to encounter here, but heck, I brought it anyways. Who knows, spice things up a little bit, might catch a fish or 2.
Yeah, I think it's a bit of a hike in, but that's okay. I think we always like a hike, or I do anyways, like a hike with some fishing. Well, here doesn't look very good either. It actually looks like a river runs through here. It looks like a river falls through here. I think maybe if I go this way and then curve back around. Ooh, she muddy.
Okay, we got down to the river. Up quite a ways. Cut myself up a little bit, slid down the slope. Must be an easier way to do this. I'm purely going on a whim here.
Grassy patch, though.
Yeah, let's give that a few casts. Purely on a whim. Listened to one of my colleagues and they said they were fishing a pool. I hope it's this pool.
I should put it in the zip.
You can put it in my backpack if you want. And bear poops. Is it bear poops or what kind of poops? But animal poops.
Nature.
If you cast right over that log, there might be a chance. Do you want to give her a go? I think I see a lure. There we go. It's on. Allie just hooked up to a little cutty by the looks of it. Beautiful. You might want to tighten your drag.
Oh no!
Barbless hooks. They're there, and I saw the red cheeks.
Come on.
That's just 4-pound leader. We're gonna cut that up to 6-pound.
Come on. No!
Barbless. The dreaded barbless.
Oh, that's the third one. What can I do to like?
So we're not going to talk about how I ended up on top of this stick, but because I'm here,
That's a tree, not a stick.
it's a big stick.
You're standing on the roots of a tree.
I think this is a big dead tree. Do you want to try and work our way up that way? Like we could just try hopping over there. Yeah, we might as well. Because I think we're going to have an easier way back up this hill on the other side of this ridge here. And be adventuring. So we found a pool, but I don't know how successful this is going to be. Looks pretty though. There we go.
Yeah.
Just a little guy. No, I'll be fine. I'll just land him on the shore. That's actually a good size. He's just a gorgeous little guy. Gorgeous trout.
Is it a cutthroat?
Yeah, got the little red guys underneath. It's a cutty.
Beautiful. First fish of the day.
First fish of the day. Gonna let this one swim.
It is about 1 p.m. and I think we've been here for like 2 hours.
Yeah.
Maybe. We had 4 fish on before, all on my rod, and James just pulled in his first fish of the day. So I think we're gonna probably stay fishing here a little bit longer.
Does that have an adipose fin?
No.
I mean, it's a hatchery. We could keep it if we wanted.
Second fish of the day. We're gonna let him oh, that's today.
I want to change up tactics. We can walk around. Do you want to put your waders on so we can go like on top of the rapids and fish down? Okay, well, we're breaking this one off. Don't tell me that just released and I started walking backwards. That's ridiculous. Yep, we're good. Get away from there. Gorgeous trout.
Oh, beautiful.
You wanna grab the net?
Yep.
This looks like a wild too. That's a gorgeous fish.
Another cutthroat.
Oh, they're petty. Got his little adipose fin.
Oh, nice. So it's wild.
Yeah. Sleeper trout.
And swimming.
Nice wild fish.
What now?
2 for me.
2 for James, 1 for me.
All on deadly dicks.
I think next time we come here, we'll probably take the easy way down and not the hard way. There's a path or a road sort of over there. And instead, we chose to come down a cliff further back in there. I think we're gonna fish here for a little bit and then maybe, I don't know, play around in the rapids, although someone just came from there and walked down to where we were fishing, so we'll see. We definitely chose the hard way to come down, but I think we'll be going up the easy way.
Yeah, definitely. So we're just heading back after catching a few trout. Beautiful day. I guess we're technically in spring now.
It's spring! It is so nice. It's maybe, I don't know, over 10 degrees.
For sure.
But it feels super warm. I think I'm a little overdressed. But yeah, we caught some good fish today. We didn't keep any. Total we had 7 fish on. And brought in 3. Yeah, maybe the last one was just over 2 pounds and all the rest are a little smaller, so. We're just on our way back in to town. We had plans to go to another lake today, but I think we're gonna cut it short. We're both feeling pretty tired. I want some downtime. But tomorrow we both have off, so we might get out tomorrow.
We'll keep going from there, and who knows, maybe with these current events, we might have a bit more time off to come.
Yeah.
Well, that's it for today, so make sure you stay safe out there and keep fishing.